ఫ్యామిలీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, క్లాస్ తీసుకునే ముందు మీకు ఒక మంచి అద్భుతమైనటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి దయచేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. దాన్ని మెదడుకు మేతలాగా ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి స్టోరీ, స్మాల్ స్టోరీ. ఒక తోటలో కొన్ని తుమ్మెదలు, కొన్ని పువ్వులు ఉన్నాయి. ఒక్కొక్క పువ్వు పైన ఒక్కొక్క తుమ్మెద వాలితే ఒక తుమ్మెద మిగులుతుంది. కండిషన్ 2, ఒక్కొక్క పువ్వు పైన రెండు తుమ్మెదలు వాడితే ఒక పుష్పం మిగులుతుంది. ఈ లెక్కన ఆ తోటలోని ఎన్ని తుమ్మెదలు ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని పువ్వులు ఉన్నాయి? క్వశ్చన్కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. ఆ లోపు మీకు ఒక అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నా. ఫ్రమ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇన్ 2 వేరియబుల్స్ ఫర్ 8th class, 9th class and 10th class and competitive test takers also listen carefully. Now look here. Question.
If the denominator of a fraction is added to its numerator and the numerator is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction becomes 11/3.
The fraction
becomes 11/3.
becomes 11/3.
Determine the fraction.
Determine the fraction.
If its numerator
Determine the fraction. Determine the fraction.
if its numerator
If its numerator
is 3 less than
numerator is
3 less than
3 less than
the denominator.
the denominator. The denominator. This is the question given. First, according to the academic standard, read the question properly. I am reading once, listen here. If the denominator of a fraction is added to its numerator and the numerator is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction becomes 11/3. Determine the fraction if its numerator is 3 less than the denominator. This is the question. I am going to explain what is given in the question. Look here, children. The denominator of a fraction, this is the required one, fraction, is added to its numerator. This denominator and numerator, you can add them, and the numerator is subtracted from the denominator. Now we are subtracting numerator from denominator, then the fraction becomes to 11/3. Now he is asking determine the fraction if its numerator is 3 less than the denominator. Now answer once, look here. Explanation only I am giving. The denominator of a fraction is added to its numerator and the numerator is subtracted from the denominator. The fraction becomes to 11/3. What is he telling? You can add, this is numerator, this is denominator. What is the first condition? Denominator of a fraction is added to its numerator. Now this is denominator, this is numerator. Now what is he telling? Denominator is added to numerator. Numerator plus denominator you can add. And what is he telling? Numerator is subtracted from the denominator. What is the denominator? Y. From this you can subtract x. Then what is the value? 11 by 3. This is the explanation. First condition. What is the condition? Sum of the numerator, sum of the x and y, subtraction of y and x. 11 by 3. Now, what is the difference between denominator? Second condition. Numerator and denominator difference is 3. Then y minus x is equal to 3. Here two conditions. First condition, second condition given. This is given fraction x by y. Y is added to x, y is subtracted from y. Then the fraction becomes to 11 by 3. And the difference between denominator and numerator is 3. Two conditions given in the question. Now I am going to give the answer. What is the answer? Let the numerator be x, comma, let the denominator be y. Next, let the fraction be x by y. What is the first condition? This is x by y is a required fraction. For this x plus y by y minus x is equal to 11 by 3. Second condition, y minus x is equal to 3. These are two conditions given. Now you can convert this one into linear equation in two variables. How can you convert? Do cross multiplication. X plus y by y minus x is equal to 11 by 3. Do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means you can multiply numerator with the right hand side denominator, and you can multiply denominator with the right hand side in numerator. Better to give the symbols. 3 into x plus y is equal to 11 into y minus x. 3 of x plus y is equal to 11 into y minus x. Now 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 11 into y, 11y minus 11 into x, 11x. Now transfer these two terms this side. Plus becomes to minus, minus becomes to plus. 3x plus 3y minus 11y plus 11x is equal to 0, because I transferred the total terms this side only. Now 3x and 11x both are like terms. 3x and 11x both are like terms. They have same symbols. Then you can add them. 3x plus 11x, 14x, and plus 3y minus 11y. Both are different symbols. Then you can do subtract. Plus 3y minus 11x minus 8y is equal to 0. Why I have taken minus? Because 11 has minus symbol. 11 is greater than 3. That's why I have taken. Now I got first equation. What is the second equation? Y minus x is equal to 3. Here two equations there. You can find the value of x and y by elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication methodology. Now I am going to use elimination methodology. 14x minus 8y is equal to 0. Y minus x plus y is equal to 3. Go with coefficients. Here x, x, y, y. In the first expression, x coefficient 14, and second expression x coefficient -1 and y coefficient -8 numerical coefficient. Here y coefficient 1 there means that is to multiply second equation both sides with 8. 14x minus 8y is equal to 0. Plus into minus minus 8 into x 8x plus into plus plus 8 ones are 8 into y 8y is equal to 3 8s are 24. Here different symbols they are better to add them. Additionally I am using elimination method or cancelling method. Elimination method or cancelling method. Additionally now both they have same means you can cancel them. 14 minus 8 is 6. X is equal to 24. Then x is equal to 24 by 6. 6 you can transfer that side. It becomes to quotient. 6 1 are 6 4 is equal to 4. Now you got x value. X is equal to 4. Now you can find a y value. What is the y? Better to substitute in equation 2. Y minus x is equal to 3. X value 4 you can substitute here. X is equal to 4. Already we got it. That's why I am substituting here. Minus 4 is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 4. Here minus 4. Transfer that side becomes to plus value. Then y is equal to 7. Finally, I got x value and y value. What is the x value? 4. What is the y value? 7. Now check. What is the first condition? The denominator of a fraction is added to its numerator. Now what is the denominator of a fraction is added to numerator is 4. Denominator is 7. And the numerator is subtracted from the denominator. What is the denominator? 7 minus what you got? Denominator is minus x. 4 is equal to 11 by 3. Already we got 11 by 3. What is it telling? That condition satisfied here. Next condition. What is it saying? Y minus x is equal to y minus x is equal to 3. What is the y value? 7. What is the x value? 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. Hence proved. So read the question properly. What is given in that? What is required? Please follow me. If you understood this properly, means please share this to another. Thank you very much.